Good afternoon, sir. I'm Rolete Adolfo, and this is our report. What is the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse authorizes the buoyant system and its region to ensure safety in navigations. The International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities (IALA) buoyant system is a globally standardized framework designed to enhance maritime safety by harmonizing navigational aids such as buoys, beacons, and lights established in 1957. IALA addresses historical inconsistencies in buoyant system that led to accidents such as the 1971 Dover Strait collision. Regional division IALA A versus IALA B. The world is split into regions based on lateral mark color convention. And region A, port side left when entering a channel, red buoys. Starboard right when entering green buoys. Includes Europe, Africa, Australia, and most of Asia. And region B, port side green buoys, starboard red buoys. Covers the Americas, Japan, South Korea, and the Philippines. And this is our 6 types of navigational marks. IALA defines 6 standardized marks to address diverse hazards. Number 1 is lateral marks. Indicate port and starboard side of channels, colors, vary regions. And number 2 is cardinal marks. Use compass quadrants north, south, east, west to denote safe water relative to hazards. For example, A. North cardinal mark signal safe passage to the north. And number 3 are isolated danger marks. Black, red, black buoys marking small hazards and etc. works with navigable water all around. And number 4, safe water marked red and white vertical stripes indicates open hazard and free areas etc. mid-channel. And number 5, special marks, yellow buoys highlight non-navigational features etc. pipelines, military zones. And the last number 6, emergency red marks, blue, yellow buoys temporarily marks no obstruction. Safety impact. The IALA system prevents accident by standardizing light, rhythms, shape, and colors globally, reducing human error, clarifying channel bifurcation with modified lateral marks, etc. Red, green stripes for preferred roads, unifying non-lateral marks, cardinal isolated danger across regional, ensuring consistent interruption. And that all, sir. Thank you.